Hi hello, assalamu alaikum. Nan hozo yawazi recipe jorom, so I'm making chicken roast, but all alone because everyone gone and I'm alone. But I try my best to manage and make this recipe. So this is chicken roast, very easy method, and inshallah you will love it. Chicken roast not in oven, so if someone have no oven they can easily make it in pot, in handi. So this is chicken roast, easy way, my way. I wash one medium-sized chicken, put it in this pan. 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half a teaspoon zira powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoon tandoori masala, and just mix herb. I'm using this mix herb. I'm using this mix herb. You can use anyone, but it's just for like a nice aroma. This is all my masala, and now salt according to your taste, and just about 2 tablespoons yogurt. Just any normally live yogurt or any yogurt you want, and half a lemon squeeze. Okay, all my masala is done. My chicken is ready now to marinate. Make sure mix it really good. Keep mixing for 2-3 minutes. 2 tablespoons oil. That's it. Mix it again. But make sure mix it really well. And now keep it for 1 hour. Just 1 hour, keep it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour we're gonna cook that. After 1 hour I check my chicken is all set, and now we'll place that on medium, a little bit lower than medium flame. So I place my chicken on medium flame, top on, and leave it like a little bit lower than medium flame, and cook it for 1 hour, but I'm gonna keep checking as well. Okay, इन आपको दिखाऊंगी 1 घंटा हो गया, तकरीबन 45 मिनट हो गए। मेरी चिकन के हालात आप देख लें, बिल्कुल ओवन की तरह बन रहा है, आप देख सकते हो, बिल्कुल प्रॉपर ओवन की तरह ये बन रहा है। सो अभी मैं, क्योंकि इसमें अभी थोड़ा सा मसाला बाकी है, मैं भी अनदर 10 मिनट के लिए इसे थोड़ा सा हायर फ्लेम पे रख दूंगी। सो माय चिकन इज़ रियली ready. You can see it's almost done, but I'm gonna keep it for higher flame, like up to 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes. And this is exactly like the way we cook chicken in oven. Chicken roast garnish, or the way I serve chicken roast, I always place tawa with 1 spoon oil, put broccoli on because that's what Ella like, my children like, and I'm gonna add just a little bit pepper and zira, that's it, and put top on so it can cook proper. I just leave it like that for 5 minutes, but I'm gonna keep eye on it that it won't burn. It's almost done, and now I'm gonna tell you how I serve this with chicken roast. I place all my broccoli underneath. Again, it's really healthy if you serve it with chicken roast, and my Ella love it. Ella love this broccoli, that kind. If you give her like a whole bunch of broccoli, she can eat it. Even that little bit burny kind of broccoli look really good. So a couple of pieces make a little bit quite dark as well. And now top of that, my chicken roast, which is ready. My camera steam again. I'll place my chicken roast like that. Sometimes I just use loads of drumstick. I mean just like a chicken leg a lot. So that was full one chicken, but I add like loads of leg. And sometimes if I make chicken karai, what I did, like if I'm making with 3 little baby chicken karai, I take all the legs out and I make the rest of the chicken I use it for chicken karai, and leg I use for chicken roast and breast. So this is my chicken roast ready, and I think it's yummy. Okay, I can try a little bit. With a little bit, my favorite broccoli is amazing. Trust me, it's beautiful. Make it and let me know how's your chicken roast with broccoli. Okay, if you like my recipe, please like, comment and subscribe, and press the bell button so you can have a notification of my new recipe. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair. Bye.